A lot of people like to talk about tools, and right now you're probably seeing a new tool on the timeline every few days, even every other day. And you've got a lot of the breaking news guys. There's this new tool. Creates a lot of FOMO, creates a lot of kind of analysis paralysis as well, which can make it hard to take that first step and kind of commit to a tool and actually start building. This sort of competition with the tools actually is really good. Healthy competition brings a lot of innovation, new breakthroughs, and when one tool does something well, all the other tools scramble to keep up. But here's the problem. Tool selection can easily slip into kind of productive procrastination, where you feel like you're actually making a lot of progress researching the different tools, but it actually stops you from doing the thing that you want to be doing and building something. So really, there's not a huge amount between the tools, and I could spend half an hour now going through all the different tools, pros and cons of each one. But realistically, what do we actually want to get done today? We want to start building some stuff. We want to get moving, get that first win. And I think the way to do that is to pick a couple of tools and just jump straight in. So as you can see on the screen, we're using bolt.new. Why are we using that, you may be asking? There's a few reasons. Firstly, as you can see, it's in the browser, so there's absolutely zero setup. When you're building something locally on your laptop, you're going to have a bunch of nightmares with installing different packages, dependencies. You don't want to be messing around with that. Today, let's get you up and running. So yeah, can literally be building stuff within minutes here. It's got a super strong AI assistant, as you can see here. It's literally almost like a ChatGPT interface where we'll kick off our builds. Pretty generous free tier as well, so you can get started without punching in any card details, which is always a bonus. And because it's all in browser, it's super easy to deploy. So if you're finished with a product or app or you want to just share something, super easy to do that. So yeah, go ahead and sign up for bolt.new, as you can see in the URL bar. We're also going to be using a tool called Superbase. So I won't go into too much detail yet, but essentially this is the back end of our build, so it will be able to store data almost like a spreadsheet. Superbase is pretty much the front runner with all these tools and allows us to plug in super easily. So yeah, we'll be using that as well, so may as well go ahead and get signed up. Like I said, we could go through a bunch of different tools. There are alternatives. Maybe some do this thing better or that thing better, but it really doesn't matter if we're just trying to get our first win here. And let's be honest, does the end user really care, whether that's internal or a customer? So yeah, these tools work. As you build confidence with this, you'll be able to easily transition to other things, and we'll be building in no time.